when any company, when they want to reach out to a new partner or access a new market, the trustworthy partners are what everyone is looking for, whether they are reliable, whether they are authentic, because in a big market like India, you really sometimes by just sitting here cannot really figure out like whether they are reliable partners or not. So how Geeta can assure, like what's the process that the Geeta runs on identifying the partners and reliable partners, like the Indo Sri Lanka, like the chamber works as a Sri Lankan partner, so they have the membership. How Geeta works on the other end to really identify uh, these partnerships, who are the reliable partners? Is there a way that they register, or like how do you really pinpoint, or is it like, is there, for someone who really doesn't know about the Indian market, like is there a government registry or something? How do you really identify these cherry pick or like provide assurance on the different partners? We know, because it could be manufacturing, it could be sourcing, it could be supplying, and it could be multiple industries. How does it work?
See, you've rightly pointed out that finding that partner and the reliable, trusted one is the biggest concern. And I would also say that there is no dearth of interest on both sides. Both sides want to partner with each other. The only challenge that is coming right now is the lack of information, and also companies not being able to decide because they feel that what if I don't have this information, and they are not able to take that informed decision, and hence this is what is delaying the process of decision making. And once the decision is taken, the execution happens easily. Now what we are doing is we are not replacing the traditional financial or legal experts that are there in would any business would require to execute their plan in India. What Geeta does is we help them form that structured plan, help them get that in principle approval on how execution will be done, so that it becomes easier for the team to actually execute their India plan and facilitate that India plan. um, Given the access that our team has, having worked with and already working, we are also the official advisors to the government of Madhya Pradesh. We are working with different state governments and government at the center. So having that access, we are able to open the doors for those conversations for the companies to see for themselves as to this. It's not something that you've given the requirements to us and we are doing something at the back end and coming up with a long list or a short list of companies that you need to partner with. We open doors for you to see for yourself as to how things are happening on ground, give you that information that will help you in taking that decision and feel that this partnership would be right. And by partnership I would mean not just partners for businesses, partners for investing in a state. A state could be a partner, a distributor, a supplier, or a buyer could be a partner. So those partnerships will happen when you actually see for yourself, have that information with you that will help you in taking that decision whether this partnership feels right for you or not.